Let's get it started!
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I am with my good friend Gretchen. She is a renowned Toronto hair artist, and follow her on Instagram at @gstylist. Okay, so today we are going to show you how different shades of, I actually chose lip gloss so it's easier to wipe off and put on. So today we're going to show you how different shades of lip product could look different on a different skin tone. So on my fair, medium skin tone to Gretchen's more Morena, warm skin tone. So there are 3 factors why a lip shade usually looks different on each of us. First is skin tone, like if you're darker or lighter, and then your undertone, if you have a cooler undertone, neutral or warm. And also lighting could be a factor, like if you're natural light versus when you're in studio light or when you're inside. In our skin tone, Gretchen is more Morena, maybe 2 shades darker. And when it comes to our lips, Gretchen, she has like a natural lip liner, so the outer corners of her lips is a different tone than what she has on the middle of her lips. And I am the opposite. I have a darker inner lip and then a very light outer lips. So we're gonna swatch this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. It has nude shades too, the darkest shades, so we'll swatch each of this on each of our lips so you can compare.
Let's get it started!
Paano kung si Rufa may nasa Bandcamp at saka Bandcamp at saka si Chris Aquino?
Uy, kamusta na yung si Chris Aquino?
I don't know, friendship.
So first shade that we're gonna try is called White Peach. So this is more of like a neutral nude shade.
Wow.
Wow!
Wow!
So ako muna. Let's try it on me first.
Feeling ko, ano yan, parang
Your skin, your lip.
May anemic or something.
Let's try.
But you'll never know, right?
You'll never know until you try. Lakas na. Lakas.
Ay, bagay. Ganda.
So this is how it looks on me.
Versus
Versus natin. And this is how it would look on Gretchen.
Let me try. First,
Uy! Ang ganda rin.
dry yung ano ko eh.
Pero parang your lips but better lang siya. Yun din yung maganda with the gloss.
Na-enhance.
That's a good thing with the gloss.
Ah, okay, got it. Kasi gloss lang siya.
It's not too opaque. Ooh, I love it! Uy, I love it more on you.
Grabe! It's
Kasi
like,
parang may, yung edges mo parang may
Kim Kardashian,
liner.
is that you? Ay, tsaka ano siya, minty or...
Oo, yeah. Kasi plumping. Teka, dagdagan ko
Magkano
ng
yan?
konti.
Ang mahal yata niyan.
Bibigyan ko sa. Dito sa gitna.
Ay, ito yung pimples ko, but it's okay.
Diba, alam mo, ang cute ng color sa Morena skin. Kasi,
Parang ano lang siya.
pati yung undertone kasi yung undertone ng lips ni Gretch sa edges, medyo darker. So, parang naging lip liner yung edges na, tapos yung gitna yung lip gloss.
Kaya mo si
Sa akin parang flat lang.
Ed Sheeran.
So, yung edge man. So, ang ganda. So far, this
I like
is
it.
Peachy Beige, and so far, I actually like this shade more on...
Tsaka minty yan, sarap.
Ang sarap, diba?
Feeling ko something is pulling me.
So far, I like this shade more on,
Tatanggalin ko na.
Gretch. Parang I think it's the perfect nude for you. Ako, medyo parang sa akin, it's more peach than nude.
Okay. Pero, can I ask how much that is?
29 ng isa.
Oh, not bad kasi mataas siya. Tapos hindi mo naman
Actually, 3, oo nga. Pero 3 ml lang siya.
Hindi naman ako laging
Oo, kung di lagi. Okay, so ang next shade, ito na lang, medyo peachy rin to.
I mean, lighter pa. Primrose.
Ikaw yung una. So, medyo ano siya, pinky. Yeah, pero
Maganda.
parang medium pink.
Maganda, maganda.
Maganda agad, di ba?
Pero dito yung mga klase ng lipstick na ginagamit ko. Because I'm always intimidated. Because like,
Pero pag lip gloss, medyo hindi siya masyado intimidating kasi hindi siya masyadong opaque. So, it wouldn't change your lip color too much. It would, but you know, it's very subtle. Like, you can still see a
not
little.
bad.
Oh, di ba? Kaya cute yung lip gloss i-try. So, if you're,
You have to
if you
promise.
don't know,
You don't know.
if you don't know, you don't know. If you do know, you do know.
Huwag kayong ano!
Yeah, if you don't know kung ano yung gusto nyong shade, start muna kayo sa lip glosses kasi medyo forgiving siya.
Nakalimutan.
Ito yung sa akin.
Huwag mo na ipakita. Or i-edit mo.
Edit ko yan. Yeah.
Ay, iba yung itsura mo. Maganda. Pero kitang-kita
May
yung...
pasensya na kayo if our lips are dry kasi sobrang lamig ngayon. sa
It's so
Toronto.
cold in here. Like, it's so cold.
Yeah, mas cooler pati yung itsura niya.
Cooler?
Cool,
Okay.
cool pink
siya
tone.
sa'yo.
Sa'yo, girl. Uy, pero ang cute din.
Yung sa akin, natural, like,
Yung kasi may warmth pa rin.
yung sa'yo,
Pink
namukha siyang
talaga.
Pink. Yung sa akin, parang, muted? Or,
Oo, parang muted pink
mas
lang.
mukhang lipstick yung sa'yo, yung sa akin, lips ko.
Pag dumadark yung skin tone mo, yung mga lipstick actually would look lighter and lighter. So, if you would notice, sa tone namin, parang ito, kitang-kita yung pagka-pink niya. Kay Gretch, medyo very, very muted. Kasi it would go lighter kapag sa warmer or like darker skin tone. So, ganun. So, yung mga lipstick nyo na pag tinatry sa lighter skin tone, medyo out there. Pero pag sa warmer, darker skin tone, medyo mamimute siya. So, hindi ko to favorite na shade sa'yo, sis. Mas
Parang
gusto ko
wala
yung...
lang siya.
Yeah, kasi cool tone siya, tapos
Okay.
warm shade
So,
ka.
mas
Parang,
maganda yung kanina.
mas gusto ko yung kanina. Try the next one!
Let's take it off.
Uy, ang saya nito, girl!
Like, yan.
Ay, puso. Let's try.
Ano ulam yung yun?
Spaghetti yun!
Spaghetti, pababa,
Kain tayo.
pababa.
Gutom na ako.
Talaga ba? Okay.
Mag-boil tayo ng pasta do.
Sige. Ano ba yan? Nasali sa video. Cooling to. Sarap.
Oo nga. Kahit yung wipes na parang cooling.
Hindi ko alam kung ano eh.
Peachy. Hindi,
Ito, may...
May cooling ba?
I don't think so.
Wala, no? Yung talagang mint, no?
Kulang talaga
Okay.
tayo. Cool girls are
Cool
cool
girls.
girls. Hindi cool girls.
Hindi.
Girls.
Sa Primrose. Ito, the next shade is
Primrose.
called Mixed Berries.
Parang maganda yan.
Ito medyo neutral to. So, I'm thinking, kasi parang brownish pink siya. So, I'm thinking bagay sa ating dalawa to.
I'm feeling so much pressure
Right now. Ay, meron na akong ihin. Meron na akong lipstick sa ngipin.
It's in to have a lipstick on your mouth. Like, ang bilis natin mag-content.
Ang galing natin, ah.
We're like
Professionals.
professionals.
Uy, may ting-ting pa tayo mamaya.
Ting, 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 ting,
Okay.
ting, ting. Okay.
That is called Mixed Berries. Yeah.
I thank you. Thank you for this gift, for this award. Ang gaganto.
Sige, swipe mo naman. Ay, pwede rin. Ay, gusto ko to sa'yo.
I like this.
Diba? So, ito naman, medyo neutral pink siya. This is neutral pink. So, it actually suits both of us.
Like,
Medyo warm pa rin yung itsura. Ang cute kay Gretch. Tinan nyo, parang medyo warm yung itsura niya. Ang cute! Ang cute sa'yo,
I
sis.
believe that this is my color so
Yeah.
far. Parang mauve, right?
Oo.
Mauve is all
Mauve.
mauve. Sorry.
Mauve. Pakita natin.
Move over.
Mauve? Mauve. Ang ganda niyan. I really like this on Gretchen too.
Ting, ting,
Ting, ting, ting, ting, ting. So, ang next natin,
Dark
yung
na?
pinaka-dark na.
Bet ko yung mga dark.
Ito, ang, this is actually
2000.
very popular dito sa collection ng Tarte Plump Right Pack. So, this is called Honeysuckle. And,
Suckle.
gustong-gusto ko to sa other skin tone kasi it looks like a
Would you
dark
say,
plum.
like,
Pero sa akin,
anong
parang
skin
berries
tone?
lang siya. Like sa'yo, feeling ko
Okay.
sobrang ganda nito sa'yo. Like, sa akin.
Mom, I'm on TV.
I love chicken nuggets!
Ay, ang ganda.
Right? Pero, parang, hindi siya dark plum sa akin. Or like,
At
hindi siya
parang
nag-register.
brown siya eh.
Parang siyang brown. Sa akin ba? Anong color niya?
Parang brown.
Parang brown. Okay.
Ah,
Finally.
may
Kasi
red.
last time
May
na,
red tint.
trinay ko to medyo pink. Siguro sa lighting din. But,
Okay.
right now, actually, gusto ko siya kasi
Kasi
parang
parang
dark brown.
pupunas dapat?
Secret, ano? Oo nga, parang dark brown. Dark brown na.
Bakit honeysuckle?
I don't know.
When do you come up with honey and then suckle?
Diba?
I love it.
Oy, mas maganda ulit kay Gretch. Kasi ito yung usual na nakikita kong color talaga on TikTok. That's why they like it. Kasi ganyan yung color niya.
Wait, nakita mo ba to sa TikTok?
Oo.
Ah, okay. Ikaw na. Wala nang gawin TikTok. Okay.
Ang ganda sis. Lagyan mo pa sa gitna nung ito.
Ito? Dito?
Ayan, yan.
Yan yung naulo, no?
Ayan.
I love this color on me.
Oh my God! Ang ganda!
Mom, can I have $25 plus tax?
29.
I like this.
I love
I
it.
like this.
Ano yung pinaka-favorite shade mo out of all the
Well,
shades
there's
that I tried?
two.
Ah, yeah.
But
Oo.
if there's one that I like,
Ah, sige yung tuna.
well, the honeysuckle.
The one she's
And,
wearing right now.
Ano yung nauna before?
Ay, oo.
Oh,
Peachy
no.
beige.
Is it?
Yes.
Yung parang
So,
movie?
Oo. So,
Okay.
gusto ni Gretchen yung mga warm shade. Warm
Yes.
shade.
Because
Okay.
I know that
This
it
one.
looks good on me. I can feel like it's the best color in my life. Thank you.
So, yun. So, that's it for our video. I hope that you had an idea on how certain lip shades would look on different skin tones. So, I hope that you find this video helpful. Thank you so much, Gretch, for
Thank you for
being
inviting me.
here. And, ayun. So, meron na. If you have any other questions or requests, just comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much again. Bye!
Bye!